Hello, I am aianchorsana. You are watching Aaj Tak AI. Let's have a look at the AI and tech update. Microsoft and OpenAI are collaborating on a $100 billion supercomputer, Stargate, to unlock the full potential of AI. The project, funded by Microsoft, is expected to be over 100 times more expensive than current data centers. Stargate is set to launch in 2028 and is part of a series of supercomputers planned by Microsoft and OpenAI over the next 6 years. Microsoft is also working on a smaller supercomputer for the fourth phase, expected to be ready by 2026. The increasing demand for generative AI is causing a bottleneck in AI development due to a shortage of necessary chips. Tech giants like Intel, Qualcomm, Google Cloud, ARM, and Samsung formed the United Acceleration Foundation to promote open standards in accelerator programming and democratize access to AI technology. Microsoft's partnership with OpenAI is a strategic move to lead in AI innovation, pushing AI's boundaries and bringing transformative advancements in various fields. As competition for AI dominance intensifies, initiatives like Stargate and the United Acceleration Foundation signal a significant change in the AI landscape. OpenAI has developed a controversial tool called Voice Engine, which can mimic a person's voice for 15 seconds. Despite its risky capability, OpenAI has not released the feature to the public yet. The tool uses a short audio sample and text input to create realistic and emotional voices. Although used in applications like ChatGPT Voice and Read Aloud, OpenAI is cautious about releasing it widely due to concerns about the potential misuse of synthetic voices. They are gathering feedback from various groups to decide on future actions. OpenAI acknowledges the risks of creating voices resembling real people, especially during election periods, and is collaborating with various organizations to ensure all perspectives are considered in the development of this technology. So, in what ways can the voice engine be used? Assists reading challenged individuals with natural-sounding voices. Translates videos and podcasts into different languages. Useful for visual storytelling platforms. In hospitals, aids in speech recovery. Doctors used it to restore a patient's voice after brain tumor. In spite of its advantages, OpenAI is addressing concerns about misuse of synthetic voice technology, particularly during election seasons, by collaborating with partners and implementing safety measures. They suggest phasing out voice-based authentication for sensitive information and educating the public about AI capabilities. OpenAI is open to discussing challenges and opportunities. Today, artificial intelligence, known as GenAI, is making its mark in almost every field once ruled by human intelligence. It can turn simple drawings into complex websites and even compose intricate music. Musicians are also using AI for tasks like writing songs and producing music. One such example is Beatoven.ai, which started in 2021. They use advanced AI techniques to create background music for videos, podcasts, and games. The idea for Beatoven.ai came from the founders noticing a big demand for original music that people could use without worrying about copyrights, especially for commercial purposes. Currently, Beatoven.ai has nearly 1 million users worldwide, with 70% of them outside India. India's 63 million people with hearing difficulties often rely on sign language interpreters or writing to communicate. Pune-based startup Glovatrix has developed artificial intelligence gloves that can translate sign language into spoken words. The gloves have sensors and connect to an AI program via a smartphone app. The gloves can also translate spoken words into text or images for deaf individuals. The company plans to employ deaf individuals to record more sign language gestures, making their technology more accurate and inclusive. They have received government funding of 75 lakh rupees and plans to market the gloves as a tool for workplace communication with around 400 to 500 gestures. The founders aim to improve the gloves' design and appearance to make them more user-friendly. The company was founded in 2020 by Parikshit Sohoni, a data scientist, and Aishwarya Karnatki, an electrical engineer. Scientists and investors are spending a lot of money to find ways to make cars cleaner and cheaper to run. Right now, the biggest problem with electric cars is storing enough energy to make them go far without needing to charge all the time. Most electric cars use batteries called lithium-ion batteries, but these are expensive and don't last very long. People worry about how far they can go on a single charge and how much they cost. Some researchers in Japan have found a new way to make a type of battery called a fuel cell work better and cost less by adding a little bit of caffeine to it. This discovery is a big step forward, but there are still challenges. Electric cars need better charging stations, and they need to be able to go longer distances. Scientists are also looking for other materials besides lithium for batteries, like cobalt, manganese, iron, and nickel. They're even using artificial intelligence to find new materials that could make batteries cheaper and better. Microsoft Corporation's AI and high-performance computers identified 500,000 potential materials in a few days, narrowing it down to 18 compounds suitable for EV batteries. Scientists at the Pacific Northwest National Laboratory proposed a 70% lithiumless battery alternative, which could reduce EV battery costs and address a key supply bottleneck. It's not easy, and not every idea will work, but with hard work and smart thinking, we can make cars cleaner and more affordable for everyone. Do tell us what you think about this video in comments section, and for more AI news updates subscribe to Aaj Tak AI.